Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be exploring the Molekule Air Purifier. So let's jump right into it. Click the link below the video to get this now. First, let's talk about the key features of this air purifier. PECO-HEPA Tri-Power Technology. Molekule uses Photo Electrochemical Oxidation paste to break down pollutants on a molecular level, effectively destroying them. Plus, it comes with a HEPA filter for added particle filtration. This combo ensures the air you breathe is incredibly clean. FDA-cleared air purification. Molekule Air Mini is FDA-cleared as a Class 2 medical device to destroy viruses and bacteria. Mobile app integration. You can control the Molekule Purifier remotely through the app, which offers scheduling, filter replacement notifications, and even air quality insights at your fingertips. Auto Protect mode. When the purifier senses a sudden increase in pollutants, it automatically ramps up its performance to quickly clean the air. Compact design. The Molekule Air Purifier is designed to fit seamlessly into any room without taking up much space or clashing with your decor. Now, let's talk about the pros. Portable air purification. With its vegan leather handle, Molekule Air Mini can be easily carried and plugged in anywhere in the home or business for increased flexibility. Stylish design. It's not just functional, it's a beautiful addition to any room. You won't mind having this on display. Low maintenance. With Molekule, you won't be constantly buying replacement filters. It's a cost-effective solution in the long run. Of course, no product is perfect. Let's discuss the cons. Filter replacement. While the filters are effective and durable, they can be on the more expensive side when it's time for replacement. Small coverage area. This purifier is designed for smaller spaces, up to 250 SQ, for like studio apartments, kids' bedrooms, and home offices. Make sure to measure your room before purchasing. Ready to take the next step towards cleaner and healthier air? You can find the Molekule Air Purifier on Amazon. Just click the link in the description below to check it out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.